Hi everyone, this is Himanshu from Team AORUS India. Today we have Z390 AORUS Master with us. So Intel just leveled up the 1151 socket with all new Z390 chipset. It supports 8th generation Intel CPUs as well as the upcoming 9th generation CPUs. This board has 12+2 IR digital VRM solution, so you can notch up every single core more than 5 GB. The advanced thermal design of this board is really cool. It has pins array, direct touch heat pipe, high conductivity thermal pads and a thermal backplate. This board comes with an amp up audio with ESS Saber Hi-Fi, which makes a good option for your hi-fi audio. You can enjoy uninterrupted Wi-Fi with Intel 2x2 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. It features RGB fusion with external digital LED support. It has Smart Fan 5 plus fan stop. It features triple PCI Gen 3 M.2 with thermal guards. This board is for overclockers and high performance enthusiasts, so let's take a look at what we get.